Welcome back to the Roy Garage. We do have an announcement we want to make, and I do want to show you a couple things here in the Roy Garage. Let's get started. In our intro, you guys see this engine right here. That engine is actually my dad's engine, and it is looking like this right now. He's put a bunch of work into it, but unfortunately we haven't been able to film a lot of it, but I want to show you guys what that's going into. It's going into this 1979 El Camino, and it's going to fill in this spot right here. Also, Dad has a second engine, and this was a Ford Interceptor V8 260, but it got a new block because the original block was cracked. It was a Marine engine 260, by the way, and now it's a 289, bored out 30,000s. This engine right here is going to remain a backup engine for whichever one of our engines blows up first. I bet it's going to be mine. And the announcement that we want to make is we're going to be going from weekly videos to bi-weekly videos.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Now, the reason why we're moving to bi-weekly videos is because we've got our list of projects and we've got the different steps that we've got to make in those projects, and it only comes out to be around 25 videos for the rest of the year. Nervous. You're watching me. Love you. And there's about 46 weeks left in the year, so 25, 46. We're not at enough project ideas, enough parts, enough budget to be able to make a video a week work. We are going to be filming my El Camino, and once we get a full project put together for that from start to end, those types of projects we're going to be doing a video every week. So once we get that completed, we'll launch that and you guys will get to see every week. Until then, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out a lot, grows our engagement, grows our channel, and helps us know that there are people out there that want to watch. We'll catch you guys next time on the Roy Garage. You gotta wait for us to say action before you do something. I got